Assalamu alaikum, this is Irene. I hope you all are fit and fine. So what is that one thing that parent wants for their children? Yes, you guessed that right. Every parent wants to ensure a successful and safe future for their children. Education is the foundation of success, and in today's video I'll explain which language has become almost mandatory to ensure secure and a successful future for your children. Well, that language is English. Now, how can English make sure that your children are successful, or how can English make your children future ready? To know that, you have to watch the full video. We already know that English is the official language of 53 countries, more than 53 countries. More than 750 million people speak English as their first language or second language. English is the international language. More than hundreds of people use English as their first and second language. English is the most commonly spoken language all over the world. So hence it is very important to know English to communicate with the outer world, with the international world. 1 out of 5 people know how to speak English or understand English. English is also the language of internet and computers. And in 2020, we all know how important it is to know how to use the internet, how to use the technology and these new gadgets. It is very important to stay updated and to know how to use them in order to have better career opportunities and better job opportunities. Now, teaching English means you will be helping your child become bilingual or multilingual. Now, what is bilingual or multilingual? Knowing more than one language, or knowing knowing your mother language and another foreign language, one or two foreign language, means being multilingual. Or knowing only your mother tongue and one other language, one foreign language, means bilingual. Now, being bilingual and being multilingual has its own share of benefits. To know about that, you have to watch my other video of benefits of children knowing foreign languages. Coming back to that, if you teach one foreign language to your children, that being English, we already know our mother tongue is Bengali. So that means English is a foreign language to us. If you teach your children 2 languages, Bengali, your mother tongue, and another foreign language, you will also help your children become more confident, because learning a foreign language helps children to become increase their ability of concentration, increases their ability of remembering things. That means they have a better memory. Knowing foreign language or learning English language helps children ignore distraction while they're solving problems, have more ability to think critically, have more ability to be creative, think out of the box, be more confident, and it also increases their opportunity to apply for different jobs, their dream jobs, and increases their ability of career options as well. So all of these things sums up how important it is to learn English or to teach English to your children. Now, how to do that? Well, there is a course, children's English learning course, which provides 3 modules: listening, writing, and speaking. Writing and reading enhances your children's ability to think out of the box, to have critical thinking, to learn the language in a better way, to know more about the uses of different grammars and different words and structures of sentences, while listening and speaking increases your children's ability to concentrate, to think out of the box, to be more creative and explore their own imaginative world. To know more about this course of Children's English Learning course, you have to subscribe to our official YouTube channel, Educare, And to know from which age you can start teaching foreign languages to your children, do watch my video about right age to introduce your children with foreign languages. And to stay updated, don't forget to hit the bell button of our YouTube channel. Take care, make some good choices, stay safe, stay home. Assalamu alaikum.